online shoppers. I have a great little mini pedal bike and I use this under the desk at work. I use it when I'm sitting at the table working on projects, and I also love to do it when I'm watching television. And this is an easy, no fuss, no muss machine. Now there was a little bit of assembly required, but I did make an assembly video and you can check that one out. It weighs hardly anything, coming in at under 6 pounds. It has a really nice foot strap to hold your foot on the pedals and a super easy to understand digital display. It's short enough that you can actually use it under a table, under a desk, depending on your chair angle. And I love that it came with this little exercise mat here as well, because now I know I can put it down and it's not going to mark my floor. Here's a close-up from the other side. You've got a knob here for adjusting your resistance, greater or less. You've got a really nice little digital display here. LCD monitor shows you time, count, distance, and calories burned. So that is super convenient for monitoring the intensity and the length of your exercise. The red button would be how it moves you through all the different values that the little digital display will keep track of for you. And the construction of it is really simple and straightforward. But this is a super versatile little home pedal exerciser because you can actually use it not just on your feet, but you can use it as a recumbent bike for your arms as well. So you can set this on a table and you can pedal with your arms, and you can adjust the resistance to tailor your workout to your specific needs. And a word of caution, this is not something that you use standing up. This is definitely a seated exercise. We bought one of these for my mother-in-law and it's really great. She uses this when she's watching television. She doesn't go outside very much because she doesn't really have a nice place to walk, and this gives her a way to get exercise at home while she's watching her favorite shows. This one here is sturdy, it's well put together, it offers a variety of resistance levels, and you can use it for both your arms and your legs. I love that it came with this little mat so that it not only grips the floor well, but also protects the floor, and the assembly was super easy. I had the bike put together in under 10 minutes. If you are looking for a nice exercise bike to add to your exercise equipment inventory, this one here, the Himaly Mini Pedal Bike, suitable for use under desk or seated at any particular chair, although not standing, is definitely a family favorite at my house.